Welcome everyone. Today let's unbox the refurbished smartphone purchased from toogood.com. It is a Motorola device, the Motorola G5 Plus, and this unit is for around 5,000 rupees. So is this purchase worth or not? Let's find out. Here is the box packet it came in. Inside we have the invoice and the actual price mentioned as 5,599 rupees. It has been repacked by Toogood itself. We got some seals over here, and inside we have some booklet and warranty card. Well, the charger seems to be of third party, not a Motorola branded. And here is the phone itself. The phone seems to be quite good. The condition is good. Now let's check some of its functionality. The camera is working fine. Let's jump into the setting and find out its Android version. Here it is rocking Android 7.0 out of the box. Hopefully there would be an update, I guess. Everything seems to be working as expected. So now I can say that it is a good purchase. The overall packaging is good. The phone is very good in condition. You can consider this handset for purchase under 6,000 rupees. That's all in this video, guys. If you have liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe.